Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine with a quick update on Maya or Jay's favorite bay, Leonardo DiCaprio's famous bay from the movie The Beach. It will be closing on the 1st of August, so you have between now and the end of July to visit Maya Bay. But despite that, PP will remain open, and I wanted to talk a little bit about that because as someone who's been here for over 20 years and visiting the island, I would say to you that Maya Bay has been through its closures for 2 months a year for more than 3 years now, and before that it was closed for multiple years where they did the restoration of the bay. And one of the things I've found is that a lot of people think that Maya Bay is the only part of PP which is worthwhile visiting. But in my view, after all the time that I've spent visiting PP, I would say more than 400 times visiting PP, there are even more beautiful bays and hidden areas inside of PP which you can visit. Things like Yonkasen Bay, things like the Reef, things like Pile Lagoon. In fact, during COVID, Pile Lagoon was one of the places that I would go to take a break and just lie and float. I think it's one of the hidden gems of PP. It's a bay that's surrounded by more than completely surrounded by 50-foot cliffs. It's a high salinity bay which allows you to float and enjoy the water while you're there. And I think it's just a great way to just sit there and relax and enjoy. You can jump off the boat, you can swim, you can do whatever you like. In addition to that, this closure of Maya Bay is for the restoration of the bay, which is really an important part of the future of the bay here in Phuket. When they originally closed the bay many years ago, a lot of corals were destroyed. There were no reef sharks in the area, and the bay itself was in significant decline. It was a very unpopular decision to close the bay, but once the bay was closed, we started to see things start to regrow. The national park invested significantly in the way that they managed the bay. Instead of having boats come and park at the front of the bay, which are very old images, if you see that online, it's a very old image. The boat used to back up to Maya Bay and drop the guests off and then move out. But now they've built a back pier where we drop all our guests off to the back pier. They walk through a walking path, and the walking path is a circular path so that it helps to keep traffic. They have a great lookout. Then down onto the beach where you can walk along the beach. And if you're lucky enough in the shallows, you'll see some of the very small reef sharks, the baby reef sharks. Talking to one of the national park officers there recently, there's over 180 mama sharks in that area. Now, reef sharks are a little bit like gummy sharks. There's nothing to be worried about. I'm an Australian and I'm petrified of sharks, but I have no fear around blacktip reef sharks. They're more scared of you than you are them, but some of them can be quite big. And there are these great drone shots from the national park that show all these mama sharks breeding in Maya Bay, and this is one of the great parts of Maya Bay being closed and being limited in its access. Even when it is open, you're not allowed to swim in Maya Bay. You're not allowed to walk on inside the water of Maya Bay. You can only walk on the beach. And so this closure of Maya Bay really is just meaning that you're not able to walk on the bay. You can go and sightsee the bay. You can still take photos. We spent the years of the closure of Maya Bay going to the front of the bay and allowing our guests to take photos, and then moving on to what I would think are more beautiful spots than Maya Bay itself. You know, I have a great tree that I always talk about that I love on Wonlong Bay. Lana Bay is a beautiful bay to go to. Backside of Phi Phi Don has some amazing coral with some great reefs and some amazing marine life. So I don't think that this video is not about the closure of Maya Bay. It's more about the opening of PP. So PP itself will remain open. We'll be operating tours to PP, and during this time it's a lot quieter out there, so you get to explore the underwater marine life in a way where you wouldn't be able to do it during the busy season of Thailand. So For those of you who are in Phuket in August and September and looking to get out, I have no reason why not to recommend Maya Bay. Of course, there are other great options available in terms of Phang Nga Bay, Krabi, and even Ray Island if you're looking to go snorkeling. But one of the great parts, I think, of Phi Phi is not just its Maya Bay. You're looking at the limestone rock formations. Phi Phi is actually 6 islands in total, and a lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people believe that Phi Phi is actually just one, but Phi Phi is actually a total of 6 islands. And exploring those islands and seeing all the marine life and what it's got to offer, and seeing the islands jut out of the sea as you're driving towards them on the boat is one of the special experiences that I personally keep within my mind as I consider and continue to offer tours to this area. So as a business owner, of course, the closure of Maya or Maya Bay can be confusing to some of our guests. So I thought it'd be important to make sure that you understand that Phi Phi itself is open. We are able to go to Pillay Lagoon, we are able to go to Viking Cave, we are able to go to Monkey Beach, we can go to Phi Phi Don itself. There are snorkeling spots available, especially those with reef sharks as well, multiple reef sharks snorkeling spots, and some beautiful reefs. Some of the most beautiful spots of Phi Phi are not Maya Bay itself. So when I do a lot of film location scouting, obviously Maya or Maya Bay is very hard to close, so we don't generally scout those areas, but we scout different parts of Phi Phi to create that tropical vibe that you see when you go and watch a movie. And so if you're considering a visit to Maya or Maya Bay during September or August, we'd love to have you on board, and I hope this helps to kind of dispel the confusion around the closure of just one bay. It's not the closure of Phi Phi itself.